Hi, my name is Surbhi Chaturvedi, and I have an undergraduate degree with the Bachelor's of Engineering with a concentration on computer science. During my schooling and my engineering, I have learned languages like C++, Java, ASP.NET, and other database languages. After completing my engineering, I was recruited by Cognizant Technology Solutions as a technology consultant. At Cognizant, again, I was trained in Java and various database technologies. However, I worked with the CRM enterprise products, CRM meaning customer relationship management. I worked with Siebel initially, working as developer, business analyst, and a team lead. And then I transitioned to a contact center technology, which is Genesys Pure Cloud. And again, I worked on various roles on that technology. I have a 12 years of working experience, and during this time, I have worked in various roles over the software development cycle. I have worked as a developer, as a business analyst, as a DevOps engineer, as a team lead, supporting the products, and also as a service delivery manager. Uh, all through these years, I have worked not only at the Indian location where I provided a remote support to the clients, I have also worked at the client location, working directly with them and gathering requirements and providing technical solution. I have worked with many different businesses as well. So the clients range expanded from retail to financial to logistics to telecom. So I have not just worked with the technology, but I have also been able to gather the understanding in terms of business functionality and how client wants to derive the project, not just in efficiency of technology, but also as what is the big picture and the end picture with a particular project. Since I have this 12 years of experience and I have worked in various roles, it gives me a unique background towards understanding right from the conception of the project by while providing proof of concept till the end of the project during its development and implementation, the type of issues that could come across and how to deal with them. I have a vast experience working with even higher level of management. I did do a proof of concept and preparing proposals for clients when the projects are coming in and cost estimations, etc. So this gives me a unique understanding of how project should be proceeded and which project works better with which methodology, whether it is a simple software development life cycle, whether it's agile or lean. I work with healthcare clients, so I do understand the security concerns that comes with each of the clients. While working on all this, I think the biggest soft skills that I have acquired is that since I've been leading teams, so I have a leadership skill. I have also mentored a lot of people because I used to teach the technology to the new recruits and teach them both Siebel and Genesys Pure Cloud. And also the communication skill, because working with the clients at different levels is very important that we understand not just the technology part of it. It is very important for me. It was very important for me to understand the language in which customer is speaking to me and converting it to the technology solution, and doing the vice versa as well, that creating a technology solution and being able to explain it to them that how it will work for them and how they will use it. In terms of soft skill, that's where I have a lot of patience. I have good experience teaching and basically looking at a solution not just from the problem point of view, but also seeing the bigger picture and how this project should progress. In technologically speaking, in terms of the strength and my technical skills, I have worked like I said, with various technologies. I have a good experience with enterprise models. I have experience working on APIs and web services and integration. I had been a Salesforce certified developer. I have experience with Siebel. I have an understanding of Microsoft Dynamics, and so every 2 years I have been working in a different capacity for a different technology. So I'm very quick with learning these technologies, and though I have not coded for a very long time, but I do understand OOPS concept and how the programming languages work. I think my skills, since C++ and Java were the main which I have used, and then for Siebel I used VB script and JavaScript, etc. The areas of improvement which I'm looking at is basically understanding the new technology. And since I have been working only with the CRM products, I have I have somehow become a very narrow view towards having the understanding of only these enterprise projects, and and only those technologies which I worked during my work during my experience. So I am looking forward to learning new skills and learning new languages, and how, apart from these particular enterprise products, what all technologies are used and how they are used and implemented. Um, and what are the benefits of doing them. So I do look forward to that, and I think I'm also looking in terms of improving upon my consulting skills. I know there is a big business consulting area which could work which could be done, and I do want to improve upon that. I have an experience only working on the service delivery side of the projects. I'm very interested in moving and applying the skills which I have learned and all the new skills in terms of product management as well, because I think that's a little different from how a simple project works. Um, the career path and the positions which I'm interested in, basically I want to get to a senior positions in business consulting, but I'm looking more towards the roles of program manager and product manager. I'm very interested in working for a product based company, and having an experience to work with different teams, and right from the start of the product to the end of the product. That is something which would excite me a lot. And it's not just in terms of managing, but I would love to have always be in touch with technology and learning the technology as well, learning about the product as well. That is something which I'm looking forward to. As I have already worked in roles where I had to work with different teams, I think I have that skill where I can manage and communicate between teams. But I do want to understand that how the roadmap for a product is different from a roadmap for any service delivery based project. And I know that with the MIS, it would be a balance between the both. I'm very interested in the business analytics concentration, because through my experience, I have learned that the analysis of the data has always helped in not just coming to a better solution and seeing the trend of how the things are going, but it does help in a lot of automation, and which seems like the future now. So that is what I'm actually interested in. Thank you.